Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of cashier's checks with our video titled, How Does a Cashier's Check Work? 2025. If you've ever needed to make a secure payment for something big like a car or rent, this is for you. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what's a cashier's check? It's a check guaranteed by the bank itself, not drawn from your personal account. This means the funds are already secured by the bank, making it super reliable. In 2025, with advancements in digital banking, you can often request one online or in person at your bank branch. How does it work? It's pretty straightforward. You go to your bank with the amount you need, plus any fees. They're usually around $10 to $15 depending on the bank. The teller will verify your funds, withdraw the money from your account, and issue the check made out to the recipient. The bank then holds the funds, so there's no risk of it bouncing like a personal check. One of the biggest perks is security. Cashier's checks are harder to counterfeit thanks to features like watermarks, special paper, and bank holograms. Plus, in 2025, many banks offer digital versions with enhanced encryption for added protection. However, be cautious of scams. Always verify the check with the issuing bank before accepting it. Compared to a personal check, a cashier's check is like the VIP version. It's accepted almost everywhere for large transactions because it's backed by the bank's funds, reducing fraud risks. But remember, once issued, you can't easily stop payment, so double-check details before finalizing. In summary, cashier's checks are a safe way to handle big payments, especially in 2025's evolving financial landscape. If you're buying a house or sending money abroad, this might be your go-to option. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.